Hello, everyone. I'm also happy to be back here, and I'm even more happy to see so many people here. So the word combination sales pitch didn't scare you away. Thank you. And actually, it is indeed a sales pitch and also a historical moment, because we have a problem. Today's digital landscape needs a much better way to manage authentication and data sharing. From one side, people seek full control over their personal data. From another side, service providers, businesses are struggling to manage so many integrations of each identity solution separately. And we have a solution, Authenticate. Authenticate is a new SK service, SK ID solution to be precise, that offers seamless single integration to address all your authentication needs. How we do that? First of all, we have integrated all the widely spread identity tokens in Baltics. Guess, Smart ID, Mobile ID, Estonian ID card, and there are more to come. Second, there is already a feature available for data sharing with user approval to keep the data private. And built on OpenID Connect protocol, Authenticate seamlessly and easily connects with your systems, bringing simplicity and security. So, imagine that you can eliminate the need to handle so many integrations at once, and you will have just one. On top of that, you will be able to request identity and also age-related information. So you can request from the initial version already personal first name, last name, full name, birth date, specific age, age over, age under. And whenever you send the request and your customer, the end user, approves that, then you get the response back. And you get exactly what you asked, nothing more. Also, we have Smart ID new integration included into the initial version. So if your need is mostly or only authentication, then by integrating with Authenticate, you will get Smart ID new integration from day one. So, integrate Authenticate and be among the first one to test the service and boost your competitive advantage. Thank you. So, questions?
Yes, me again. Again. Jan just showed the new shiny thing. You also present new shiny thing. So how to choose between new REST API of Smart ID and Authenticate? What is the key differences here?
Yeah, as Jan explained, Smart ID integration is, first of all, upgrade for Smart ID from many different perspectives. So from one side, it improves the usability. From another side, it improves security. And if you have Smart ID and you use both authentication and signing, you definitely need to update and integrate that. Authenticate enables authentication and also attribute sharing. So if you are in authentication business only, then there is no question. You need to choose Authenticate. But if you have signing as well, this doesn't mean that you don't need Authenticate at all. So basically, my suggestion would be to initiate some brainstorming session with right-minded people within your company and analyze what kind of and what type of new businesses you can build with Authenticate. One example can be customer onboarding, for example. Or maybe maybe currently you are asking too much data, and in order to be more compliant with GDPR, you can use the attribute sharing functionality and ask exactly what you need for your business. So yeah, probably that's the answer.
Okay. Also, you showed that will be Smart ID, Mobile ID, and ID card supported. So what other tokens will be supported?
Yeah, here our strategy or the primary focus is on our home markets. So currently it's Baltic states and Belgium. So the next tokens expected probably will be from that region. But actually, you, our customers, you have a big role in this process. So again, be one of the first ones, reach out to us, and whatever we add, there should be a business analysis and some viability identified first.
And last one, can you quickly share that consent-driven data sharing businesses as one example? What could it be?
I think the age is the simplest thing to bring because currently different service providers already use our existing solutions, Mobile ID and Smart ID, to verify your age. For example, when you're buying an alcohol or something like age restricted. But for that, they are actually using the personal code and they can read a lot more information. And with Authenticate, you can actually get the confirmation of eligibility of that person without without this person disclosing his specific age.
Thank you.
And see how our artist captured the sales pitches about both Authenticate and that is Jan, probably. That's where you have the Smart ID somewhere. Like very smart ID presentation. And do we have our next presenter? No, we have, maybe we have our person. Yeah, that's very Authenticate way of looking at this. Like, you don't guess. Yeah. And do we have a person with questions from the audience? Our Victor, the person with questions. Thank you very much for that. This is absolutely lovely.